I receive a lot of comments and emails from traders asking me this same question. Can I sell a covered call even if I don't own any shares? If this sounds like you, then be sure to watch this video because I'm going to show you how I sell a covered call even though I don't own any of the shares in my portfolio account. I'm Jim Ray and this is the Simple Option Trading channel. You can have real-time notification on my trade alerts, plus direct access to me via my Q&A chat channel. Simply join my Simple Trading Room community by going to discord.simpleoptiontrading.com. I'll see you over there. I get asked this question many times during the week from traders that have just learned about an opportunity selling a covered call, but unfortunately, they don't own any of the shares. So they end up giving up and missing out on a money-making opportunity because they know that they need ownership or control of 100 shares of stock in order to sell a covered call. Now, I used to be the same way when I first started trading, until I learned about a technique called the rapid covered call, sometimes also referred to as a buy-ride covered call. A rapid covered call is a technique used by traders to quickly sell a covered call option in order to take advantage of an opportunity. Now, as we know, when selling a covered call option, the option trader must hold a long position of the underlying security. What are the steps for implementing a rapid covered call? The trader buys 100 shares of a stock, then immediately sells a covered call option using the newly acquired shares as collateral. Here's a transaction record from my account history where you can see I placed a limit order to buy 100 shares of symbol RIOT. I submitted the order on February 7th and it was filled that morning at 10:20 a.m. Pacific time. At the time this order was filled, I paid $17.95 per share. So for the 100 shares, I paid a total of $1,795. And now that I have those 100 shares in my account portfolio, I can immediately turn around and use them to sell a covered call. Now let's jump back over to my account history again and take a look at the transaction record where I actually sold the covered call. So here you can see I'm selling a covered call for symbol RIOT with an $18 strike price and an expiration date of February 18th of 2022. Now I submitted this order on February 8th and it was filled later that morning at 10:56 a.m. Pacific time. Now at the time this covered call option contract was filled, it was paying $1.25 per share in premium. So when this order actually got filled, I received a total premium payment of $125. Now let's take a look at the stock chart for today, February 16th. Here's a daily chart going back to the beginning of the year, January 2022. And we see that at the market close, today February 16th, the share price was at $19.59 per share. Now, just as a quick reminder, my strike price was $18, so right now, my buy-right covered call option is in the money. And as long as the share price stays above my strike price, my option contract will get exercised. So stay tuned, because I'm excited to see what happens in 2 days on the expiration date, if the share price will continue to be above my strike price, or will it fall below and my option contract will expire worthless. The good news is that no matter what happens with this option contract, whether it gets exercised or it expires worthless, I'm still going to make a profit. So let's take a look at what's going on. So if the option gets exercised, meaning the share price finishes above my strike price, first, I get to keep the $125 that I initially received as the premium payment. That's mine to keep forever. And second, I'm also going to make a profit from the price appreciation. Next, if the share price finishes below my strike price, that means the option contract expires worthless. And in that case, I still keep the $125 that I received as my premium payment, and I'll also have an opportunity to sell another covered call using those same shares and collecting even more premium. You can get immediate access to my trade alert notifications by joining my Simple Trading Room community. Be sure to use the special link that I've included in the description below so you can join in on the action. There's one last thing before I end this video. Now, making profits and generating an income from option trading is a great thing, but keep in mind that all gains made from trading are considered income and are subject to applicable tax considerations. So every month, I save a portion of the profits that I earned in order to pay for my federal and state taxes. So please consult with your CPA, licensed financial advisor, and/or tax preparer regarding the tax liabilities for your unique situation. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to wish you good luck and lots of success with all of your trades.